What you see right in front of you now is the ThinkTank Presspass Sling. This is my newest bag. I received it for one of my Christmas presents. It's pretty cool, and I'm going to talk about it. My first impressions of the bag, I like. And I've got a lot of ThinkTank bags upstairs in my camera room, or bag room, camera bag room, whatever you want to call it. And this is the newest edition. A couple things about it. There are a lot of pockets, a lot of dividers. It's one as a sling, but can be brought in the front of the body and actually used to pull camera gear out or put in. And it also can be used as a lens changer if you needed to, if you were using another bag. Definitely a very nice bag, and I'll briefly show you. On the front, you have a zipper pocket here. It has the ability to expand. It looks like it probably can go out another inch or two right there. On the top, you have the very large opening. Once you open it, you'll see that there's at least one, two, three, four, at least 7 different dividers, so you can do a lot of different things. And this whole portion can be taken out. And then you can use the material on the sides and actually use the dividers in there if you wanted to take the whole pouch out. On the back side, you have a zippered pocket, and this will hold up to an iPad mini or equivalent with no problem. I did try an iPad Professional 11-inch Pro, didn't work. Again, this is the Presspass Sling, and this is my first look. It also has a waist belt on it, which you can see right here. I'm going to play with it this weekend. Again, I just opened it out of the box maybe a day and a half ago. So I'm actually going to pack it up this weekend and take it out. I'm probably going to do a road trip. So stay tuned. Please like, subscribe, so you can see more of my adventures and more of my reviews. Lately, I've been doing a lot of gear reviews because I got a lot of gear. And the other thing is, I see a lot of people are interested in the gear. So again, please like and subscribe. And thanks for stopping by. This is Teddy V. Have a good day.